Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need admin and hosting access now. Start by backing up the site, files, and database so you can revert if needed. Once done, decide which automatic updates you want to stop, core only, plugins, themes, or everything. This choice affects the method. Next, open wp-config. PHP via File Manager or SFTP and prepare to add a constant or plan to edit plugin filters. Make sure you have a text editor ready and a clean connection, because we will change configuration directly. You can stop updates by editing wp-config. PHP. Add the constant to disable the updater entirely. If you prefer granularity, create a tiny site-specific plugin or edit child theme functions. PHP and add filters to disable core, plugin, or theme updates separately. This keeps changes upgrade safe. Once done, you can also run wp-cli commands to set auto-update options or inspect status. Make sure to clear any caching and reload the dashboard to verify the UI reflects those changes immediately. Now verify. Visit the dashboard and plugin pages to ensure auto-update controls are disabled. If updates still happen, check for managed hosting auto-update features, must-use plugins, or server cron jobs that trigger updates and disable those. Once confirmed, monitor logs for a few days and keep manual update reminders on your calendar. If something breaks, restore the backup you made earlier and re-enable specific updates while you fix the underlying compatibility or security issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.